In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Xero effectively. If you're a Shopify store owner trying to simplify your accounting processes, this integration is an essential task for you. Properly connecting Shopify with Xero can streamline your financial reporting and save you a lot of time managing your business's books. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process and ensure that your setup runs like a well-oiled machine. We begin by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. From here, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, you'll want to type in Shopify Integration by Xero. This is a dedicated app designed specifically to help Shopify and Xero communicate seamlessly. As this app appears in your search results, click on it for more details. The app page will provide a thorough description of its features and user reviews, which can offer some helpful insights if you're unfamiliar with the integration. Once you're ready to proceed, click the Add App button. This action initiates the download and installation process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the installation of the app. This step ensures that you're authorized to make changes to your Shopify store's configuration. Confirming the installation is straightforward, but take a moment to read any additional prompts that might offer insights or terms of use related to the app. Upon successful installation, you'll be automatically redirected to the Xero platform. Here you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you're not already a Xero user, you'll need to set up an account, but assuming you already have one, enter your login credentials carefully. It's vital that you're logged into the right account to avoid any mix-ups with your financial data. After logging in, you'll need to select your Xero organization. This step is crucial because Xero supports multiple organizations under a single account. Be sure to choose the correct one that corresponds to your Shopify store. This ensures that the data flows accurately between Shopify and Xero. In conclusion, integrating Shopify with Xero is a straightforward process, but attention to detail is key to a successful setup. By following these steps, you can facilitate a seamless flow of information between your online store and your accounting software, leading to more accurate financial records and significant time savings. Don't forget to explore the settings within the Xero integration to tailor the experience to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your financial management as efficient as possible.